The Starlight Symphony.
In a town where the night sky sparkled with 1,000,000 stars, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia had a special gift: she could hear the music of the stars. One night, a shooting star fell, and its melody called out to her, inviting her on a celestial journey. Mia followed the ethereal melody until she found herself in a meadow bathed in the soft glow of starlight. The shooting star transformed into a whimsical creature that guided her through the night sky. As Mia soared among the stars, she encountered living constellations, friendly beings formed by the patterns of the night sky. Together, they danced to the rhythm of the starlight, creating a symphony that echoed through the cosmos. The journey led Mia to the moon, where a wise lunar spirit shared ancient tales and secrets. Mia discovered that each star had a story to tell, and every constellation had a role in the grand celestial performance. Mia and her celestial companions reached the heart of the galaxy, where they encountered the galactic orchestra. The planets played harmonious tunes, and comets added a sparkling percussion. Mia, too, joined in, playing her part in the cosmic symphony. As the celestial journey came to an end, Mia returned to her town, carrying the stardust of the cosmic symphony. She realized that the magic of the stars was not only in the night sky but also within her, a melody that would forever guide her through life. The Starlight Symphony is a tale of cosmic harmony, discovery, and the universal language that connects us to the wonders of the universe. It invites us to listen closely to the melodies around us and find the magic that exists in every corner of our lives.